Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the wrist. Applied Mathematics is our subject. Name of faculty Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Chapter number 9 for Computer Engineering and Information Technology student for numerical methods only. The bisection method. Choose lower XL and upper XU with f of XL and f of XU less than 0. Estimate of the root, that is XR XU plus XL upon 2. Check f of xl, f of xr less than 0, the root lies between xl and xr. F of xl into f of xr greater than 0, the root lies between xu and xr. And xl into f of xr is equal to 0, the root is xr. Using bisection method, find the approximate root of the x cube minus x minus 4 equal to 0. 3 iteration only. F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 4. F of 1 minus 4 less than 0. F of 2 2 greater than 0. The root lies in 1 comma 2. x1 a plus b upon 2. 1 plus 2 upon 2 1.5. F of 1.5 minus 2.2125 less than 0. The root lies in 1.5 comma 2. x2 x1 plus b upon 2 1.5 plus 2 upon 2 1.75. F of x2 is equal to minus 0.39 less than 0. The root lies between 1.75 comma 2. x3 is equal to x2 plus b upon 2. 1.75 plus 2 upon 2 1.875 is the x3, that is 3 iteration number 3. Therefore x1 1.5, x2 1.75, x3 1.875. F of x is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9, f of 1 minus 12, that is negative, f of 2 minus 9, that is again negative, but f of 3 is 6, that is positive. That means the root lies between 2 comma 3. Then first approximation, the root lies between x1 2 plus 3 upon 2 2.5. F of x1 f of 2.5 minus 3.375, that is negative. Hence the root lies between 2.5 and 3. Then the second approximation, the root is 2.5 plus 3 upon 2 2.75. F of x2 f of 2.75 0.769, it is positive. The root lies between 2.5 and 2.75. So 2.5 plus 2.75 upon 2, 2.625. Again f of 2.625 minus 1.4121, that is negative. The root lies between 2.625 and 2.75. So 2.625 plus 2.75 upon 2, that means 2.6875. F of 2.6875 is equal to minus 0.3391, that is negative. The root lies between 2.6875 2.75. x5 2.6875 plus 2.75 upon 2 2.71875. So f of 2.71875 is 0.2209, that is again positive. Hence the root lies between 2.6875 and 2.71875. x6 2.6875 plus 2.71875 upon 2 2.7031. Now f of 2.7031 is minus 0.0615, that is negative again. So the root lies between 2.7031 and 2.71875. x7 2.7031 plus 2.71875 upon 2 is 2.7109. 2.7109 0.0787, again positive. That means the root lies between 2.703 and 2.7109. x8 is 2.7031 2.709 upon 2 2.707. Therefore the root is exactly 2.707 by using iteration 8. Now we have to discuss the regular falsy method, false position method also it is called. Algorithm means we have to use the steps to solve the system of equation. Take initial approximate x0 and x1 and find f of x0 and f of x1. Next approximate x0 f of x1 minus x1 f of x0 upon f of x1 minus f of x0, find x2. Stop. In iteration method we start some initial approximation solution and improve these solutions step by step in such manner that the revised value of moves towards the real value in minimum number of steps. The fastness of the convergence in any method is represented by the rate of convergence, that is important algorithm for regular falsy. The regular falsy by mathematical way how to improve. Regular falsy method is faster than bisection method, algebraic and transcendental equation. F of x is equal to 0. Here we find an interval with which the root lies. If it is a comma b, then the value of the function at 2 points shall be opposite sign. That is f of a greater than 0 and f of b less than 0, vice versa. Now we try to find the line lying between a f of a and b f of b and find the point in this time which cuts the x-axis, which can be considered to be new approximation. The equation of the line is given by y f of a is equal to f of b minus f of a b minus x minus a 1 at the point x comma y equal to 0. Now again we have to discuss the shortcut form. Regular falsy connect the points a f of a and f of b with a straight line. Find the regular falsy point x regular f of p, which is the solution to the linear equation connecting endpoints. Look at the sign of f of x r f of p, that is f x r if less than epsilon, and end the algorithm. So else if sin f of x r p f of p sin f of a, then set a is equal to x r f of p, else set b x r f p. Equation of line, we know that y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 by using this slope point form. Y minus f of a, f of b minus f of a, x minus a, b minus a. Solving for this, 0 minus f of a, f of b minus f of a, b minus a, x r I p minus a. Solving, we have x r p a f of b minus f of b minus f of a. By mathematical condition, we have to use the slope point form to solve the regular falsy. Actually, we start by very usual method. Using regular falsy method, find the approximate root of the equation x cube plus 2x square minus 8 is equal to 0. Take 3 iteration. X cube plus 2x square minus 8 equal to 0. F of x is equal to x cube plus 2x square minus 8. F of 1 is equal to minus 5. F of 2 is equal to 8. Minus 5 less than 0, 8 greater than 0. The root exactly lies between 1 comma 2. X1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a upon f of b minus f of a. We have to put all the values of f of a considered as a f of 1. F of b means 2. Be clear, minus 5 and 8. That is f of a minus 5, f of b 8. And the values are a is 1 and b is 2. Be careful about this sign. 1 into 8 minus 2 into minus 5, 8 minus of minus 5 is equal to 1.385. We have to put 1.385 in above equation. We derive minus 1.507. The root lies in, it is less than 0. The root lies in 1.385 comma 2. So x2 is equal to 1.482. Again f of 1.82 is minus 0.352 less than 0. The again root lies between 1.482 comma 2. So x3 1.504. So we take the 3 iteration. X1 1.385, x2 we have 1.482 and x3 1.504. That exactly lies between 1 comma 2. Find the real root of equation x into e raised to x is equal to 3 using false position method, 2 iteration only. X into e raised to x equal to 3. F of x is equal to x e raised to x minus 3. F of 1 minus 0.281. F of 2 11.778. We have to use this. F of a is 1. F of a is minus 0.282. F of b is 11.778. A is 1, 2, b is 2. Now the root lies between 1 comma 2. Therefore x1 is equal to a in f of b minus b into f of a upon f of b minus f of a. We have to put the value of a is 1, f of b 11.778 minus b is the 2 in bracket, f of a is minus 0.282, f of b 11.778 minus become plus 0.282. Solving these, we using the f of x deriving the x1 values, we have 1.023. So f of 1.023 is minus 0.15. It is derived by substituting the value in f of x there. The root lies in a 1.023 comma 2. X2 we derive in this formula, we derive 1.036. Therefore first iteration 1.023, second iteration 1.036. Using regular Falsy method, find the root of x cube minus x minus 4 equal to 0. 3 iteration only. F of x is equal to x cube minus x minus 4. F of 1 is minus 4. F of 2 is 2. The root lies between 1 comma 2. x1 is equal to a f of b minus b f of a upon f of b minus f of a is equal to 1.667. F of 1.667 is equal to minus 1.035. The root lies between 1.667 comma 2. x2 1.781. F of 1.781 is minus 0.132. The root lies in 1.782 1 comma 2. x3 1.795. So above the 2 iteration, no, it is exactly 3 iteration. x1 is equal to 1.667, x2 1.781, x3 1.795. Find the root of equation x cube minus 9x plus 1 equal to 0, which lies between 2 and 3 using regular Falsy method. F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x plus 1, f of 2 minus 9, f of 3 1. That's why less than 0 greater than 0 is 1. So the root lies between 2 comma 3. x1 f of a f of b minus b f of a upon f of b minus f of a. 2 f of 3 minus 3 f of 2 upon f of 3 minus f of 2 is exactly 2.9. F in bracket 2.9, instead of x we have to put 2.9, we derive minus 0.711. The root lies between 2.9 comma 3. x2 2.942, we have to consider as the x2 root. How we have to substitute the value 2.9 and 3 in this equation, we derive the final answer x2 is 2.942. F in bracket 2.942 is minus 0.0139. The root lies in a 2.942 comma 3. So x3 is 2.943. So x1 is 2.9, x2 is 2.942, x3 2.943. These are the iteration 3 to solve the x3 minus 9x plus 1 equal to 0 exactly lies in 2 comma 3. Now solve the positive root of x cube minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 using regular Falsy method. They not given the iteration. We have to solve approximate root. We have to derive up to which iteration. Approximately 3 or 4 iteration we have to cover. F of x is equal to x cube minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. F of 0 we have to put the value 1 is positive. F of 1 cube minus 4 1 plus into 1 is equal to minus 2 less than it is 0, so negative. Therefore the root exactly lies between 0 comma 1. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. We have to x1 b f of a minus a f of b upon f of b minus f of a. We have to put the values using these. Value of f of 0 is 1, f of 1 minus 2, a 0, b 1. We derive 0 into minus 2 upon minus 2 minus 1, 1 into 1. Derive the 1 upon 3, 0.33. F of x1 1 upon 3, 1 upon, we have to put instead of x in this equation minus 0.263. Therefore the f of 0 and f of 1 upon 3 opposite sign. The root lies between 0 comma 1 upon 3. x2 again we have to put the here instead of a and b we have to put a is 0, b is f1 upon 3, f of 0 and f of 1 upon 3 value we derive 0.25712. So f of x2 is f of 0.25712 is minus 0.01158. Again it is negative, therefore the lies between 0 and 0.25712. We derive the again value of x2 and 0 and we have to put the x3 value. We derive 0.25420. We put the 0.25420 in the above instead of x. We derive minus 0.003742. So the root lies between 0 and 0.2542. We derive x4 in the form of 0.2412 again. F of x4 again 0.25412 minus 0.01293. It is again negative. Therefore the root lies between 0 and 0.25412. Here we use the iteration number 1. X1 is 0.3. How many times? 6 times. X2 is 0.25712, and we derive the final iteration in this way.